Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So Ethereum is struggling with speed and high fees. However, this is where layer 2 projects come in to save the day. So let's dive in and check them out right now. All right, guys, how's it going? So Ethereum changed the game, but high gas fees and congestion pushed developers to look for solutions. Enter layer 2s. Now, these are networks built on top of Ethereum to make transactions cheaper, faster, and more scalable. And I know that's what we all want. That's why you clicked on the video, and thank you for doing so if you have clicked on the video. We do appreciate it here. And let me know what your experiences have been like using Ethereum, and are you looking forward to the layer 2 advances that are going to push the speed and reliability of Ethereum? Because today, in 2025, layer 2 projects are not just upgrades. They're powering DeFi, NFTs, gaming, and enterprise adoption. That's some super cool news for us crypto enthusiasts, because this means that people are listening. These companies, these people that make these coins, they're listening to us, and they understand that our feedback is critical to the success of their projects. And today we're going to break down the top 5 layer 2 crypto projects that are going to explode in 2025, how they work, real world adoption, and why they matter. However, before we get into it, I just want to say that I'm not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. Make sure to do your own due diligence and research before investing in any crypto project, and never invest more than you're willing to lose. With that disclaimer out of the way, we're going to talk about the first layer 2 project on our list today with Arbitrum. And you might be asking, well, what is Arbitrum? Well, I'm going to answer that question for you, okay? The largest layer 2 by total value locked, or TVL, and this uses optimistic rollups to process transactions off-chain, then settle on Ethereum, okay? So you can check all of it out right here. This is everything you need to know about Arbitrum. It's all on the screen right here for you. Scroll through the site, check everything out. Look at all the stuff they offer. Look at everything they're pushing, and let me know what your experiences have been like using Arbitrum, okay? It's also very fast, secure, and Ethereum compatible, which is amazing. That's what we want. And some real world examples of its applications are Uniswap, Aave, and GMX. Now, they've already deployed on Arbitrum and are handling billions of dollars in volume. That's incredible. Okay. Now, why does it matter to you? Why does it matter to me? Well, Arbitrum dominates the layer 2 space with the most users. Yes, that's right. It has the most users right now on Arbitrum, with the TVL and developer activity making it a top contender in 2025. That is so exciting to learn how good Arbitrum is doing in a layer 2 to back Ethereum, making it more reliable, making it faster, making it more secure, making it more powerful, everything we need. Drop your comments down below. Let me know what you think of Arbitrum and what your experience has been like. Have you been using? Okay. All right. So the next project on our list we're going to talk about is Optimism, and we're going to do that right now. All right, guys. So next up on the list, we have Optimism. Okay, Optimism is awesome. Here's the website right here on the screen. And what this is it's another major layer 2 using optimistic rollups, okay? And I'm very excited for this. I hope you guys are as well. Again, let me know what your experiences have been like using Optimism. Have you used it? And what are the advantages and disadvantages? Share it down in the comments. We need to know with this community, because we're learning and growing with you guys as well, and your feedback is critical, okay? If there's anything we missed in anything in these videos that you want to hear about, let us know as well. Now, this focuses on scaling Ethereum's ecosystem while trading public goods, okay? And it also has a strong backing from Coinbase and major developers, all right? And some real world examples would be Coinbase new layer 2 base, which is the built-in Optimism stack driving massive adoption, all right? So I think that this is going to be a great project. Optimism has some promising features to back Ethereum with its layer 2 power and compatibility, but let's check out some real world examples. Okay, so why does it matter to you? Why does it matter to me? Well, with Coinbase on board now, Optimism is positioned as one of the most important scaling solutions in crypto, all right? Okay, so the next one on the list is zkSync, or zkSync Era, and we're going to check that out right now. All right, so the next one is zkSync, or ZKS, and this uses zero knowledge rollups, or ZK rollups, for faster and cheaper transactions with high security guarantees. And you can check everything you need to know about it right here on the website. Everything's there for you. Go through it. Let me know what you think of it. Has it been helping you with Ethereum? Is it a solid layer 2 in your experience? All the features are there. Check everything out on the website and let us know what you think of zkSync Era, okay? Because It's important for us to know how this has been helping other people. This is Ethereum compatible and developer friendly, which is awesome. And some real world examples include dozens of DeFi protocols and NFT projects which have launched on zkSync. Okay, now this makes it a leading zk rollup chain, which is very important. So why does it matter to you and why does it matter to me? Well, here's the good news, because zkSync could redefine scalability with instant finality and lowers fees, which is ideal for mass adoption, which is very exciting. So guys, like I said, make sure you check out zkSync, go through the site, everything's there that you need to know. Let us know in the comments what you think of it and how it's helped you, all right? So the next one we're gonna check out is Starknet, and we are gonna do that right now. All right, next on the list, we have Starknet, and this is really cool. You can check out its Bitcoin times Ethereum and Ethereum supercharging zk tech, which is great, right? Now, this is pretty cool, and you can check out all of its features. Unlimited scalability, okay? Now, what this is it's another zk rollup solution, but with its own powerful programming language, which is Cairo. All right. If you want to learn more about it, you can check out all the information about it up here. Everything you need to know is in these tabs right here. I've went through it all. There's a lot to digest, so check it out. And look at all the awesome stuff. Superior UX, Developer Hub. It's going to have creativity unleashed with a bunch of cool features there and a bunch of other awesome stuff. So make sure that you check out Starknet. I think it's going to do well, but let's talk a bit more about it. Now, this is backed by Starkware, the team behind StarkX, already powering dYdX, Immutable, and Sorare. All right. Now, this also has real world applications with some great examples here. dYdX, a major decentralized exchange, which uses StarkX to handle millions in daily trades. Awesome stuff. So why does it matter to you and me? Well, Starknet is bringing scalability and customability, which is perfect for advanced DeFi, gaming, and enterprise apps. All right. So the last one we're going to talk about on the 5 today is Base by Coinbase, and we're going to do that right now, guys. All right. So we're talking about Base by Coinbase. You can see the website right here. Check out everything you want to learn. Everything's in this list. Everything you need to know about Base is here, and all the different statistics, how many people are using it, etc., etc. All kinds of cool stuff. Everything you need to know right here. But let me know in the comments what your experiences have been like using Base from Coinbase. Has it been good? And why would you recommend it? But let's talk a bit about this because it's a layer 2 blockchain built on Optimism's tech stack. Now, this is backed by Coinbase, one of the largest crypto exchanges globally. It also focuses on bringing millions of Coinbase users into Web3. And some real world examples would include it's already integrated with Coinbase wallets and exchanges, making onboarding seamless for new users. Now, why does this matter to us? Well, because Base has a massive advantage with millions of Coinbase customers already on board into crypto via this layer 2. So guys, I got a quick question for you. Are you already using a layer 2 network like Arbitrum or Optimism, or are you planning to jump into zk rollups this year? Drop your answers in the comments. I'd love to know your picks, okay? So which layer 2 has the edge? Well, Arbitrum leads users in adoption, okay? Optimism has Coinbase support and strong partnerships. zkSync and Starknet bring cutting-edge zk tech. And Base has the power of mass adoption behind it. Now, each, of course, has a unique strength, but together, they're scaling Ethereum for the future, okay? And layer 2s are no longer experimental. They're becoming core of Ethereum scalability in 2025. Whether it's payments, DeFi, or gaming, these projects are paving the way for mass adoption. All right, guys, so which of these layer 2 projects do you think is going to do the best in 2025? Drop your pick down in the comments below. Remember to like the video, subscribe, and turn on that bell for all notifications so you know when we post new crypto, AI, or trading content. We'll see you in the next video.